Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at a grammar rule that native speakers break so often you actually see the mistake printed on giant signs in the grocery store.
A mistake printed on a sign. That is wild. What are the words today?
The words are fewer and less.
Oh, fewer and less. Yes. Both of these words mean a smaller amount, but the rule for using them is entirely about counting.
Exactly. For our English learners, the golden rule is very simple. Use fewer for things you can count, and use less for things you cannot count.
Let's start with fewer. If you can physically point to the items one by one and say 1, 2, 3, you must use fewer.
Right. You can count dogs, cars, or apples. So you say, there are fewer cars on the road today. Or, I want fewer apples in my bag. Because they have a plural form with an S at the end, you use fewer.
But less is for singular, uncountable nouns. These are usually liquids, powders, or abstract concepts like time and love. You cannot count them individually.
Yes, you cannot say one water, two waters. You just have water. So you must say, I need to drink less water before bed. Or, I have less free time this week.
So let's go back to that grocery store mistake you mentioned. Where do we see this broken rule?
Imagine you are at the supermarket. You only want to buy 3 things and you want to pay quickly.
You walk toward the fast checkout lane.
You look up at the big glowing sign hanging from the ceiling.
And almost everywhere in the English-speaking world, that sign says 10 items or less.
Yes, and it is completely grammatically incorrect.
Exactly. Items are individual things you can count. 1 item, 2 items, 10 items. Because you can count them, the sign should absolutely say 10 items or fewer. It is so funny how often native speakers get that wrong. A great memory trick for our learners is to think about going on a diet. If you want to be healthy, you should eat fewer cookies and drink less soda.
That is a fantastic trick. Cookies are countable, so use fewer. Soda is a liquid, so use less. Perfect.
Your homework for today is think about your own habits. What is one countable thing you want to eat fewer of, and one uncountable thing you want to consume less of? Practice making a sentence out loud for both.
Mastering countable and uncountable nouns is a huge step forward in your grammar journey. You're doing great.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Make fewer mistakes by practicing more. See you next time on Mady English Practice.